Hey guys, I'll be showing you how you can supercharge your anti-gravity, your agentic IDE with 621 plus agentic skills. It's very simple guys, all you need to do is just one command, which is this. You might be asking why I didn't highlight this. Well, I encountered some problems with it, so to make absolutely sure, just do this. Go to your terminal and just paste it here. As you can see, I already did, and I have all of these skills. So with that done, if we go to anti-gravity, the good thing is anti-gravity will automatically detect them. So if I write, for example, at docx, this part is very important because the at docx is the command that tells it to use it. The at is the start of the command, the docx is the skill. Alright, so at docx, create a professional report about AI trends. Of course, if this goes well, and it will go well, it will do a 2026 AI trends. So let's launch it and we'll go bit by bit to show you that it actually detects the skills and uses them. Alright, so it's requesting permission. Of course, the good thing about this IDE is it looks, creates, does it have. Of course, now it searches the skill.md. As you can see, it does the plan. So it first try to locate and send the docx. And if we go here, so it searched the files, it's looking for it, and it found it. I found the at docx. Oops, put down. Wait, let me go back to it. Damn, it's moving too fast. Alright guys, wait, let it finish and then we'll go bit by bit. Alright, it's finished, but before we see the final product, as you can see, it researched and found this skill. It read about it, of course, and then it used it to create the doc that we have. So, of course, it's here. I don't have a renderer installed or anything like that. So, let's go to Google Docs, and this is the final result. Alright, a full doc of all the trends of 2026, comparing 2024 to 2026 and the AI boom and everything. So yeah, let's give it another test. So this time, using the skill Frontend design, I told it to build me a portfolio website with a doc mode. So let's let it go, and we will pay back when it's finished. So it is done, and as we can see, it's focusing on the front-end design skill that we have and used it to create our portfolio, which we will check out a bit. So as you can see, it went and did everything from designing to even creating assets like this. So if we open them, these are nice assets. Yeah, it used the skill and we have a website. So let's check it. We open with live server and look at the portfolio. It's actually very, very nice. The images could be better. There's an image missing, of course, but that's AI. And full transparency, guys, I told it to add the images because it was not loading and everything. But the whole point is that it used the scale. Whatever mistakes it makes, it's not because of the scale, it's because maybe the model, maybe it needed a bit more detail because I gave it a bare bones prompt. So yeah, that has been how to get 621 plus skills to power your anti-gravity. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.